Let me share a simple analogy. Imagine owning a car but not knowing the difference between the brake pedal and the accelerator. You could still drive. You might even reach your destination, but your ability to make informed decisions would be limited, and your confidence would likely be lower. Many people interact with artificial intelligence in a similar way today. They use recommendation systems that suggest movies and music. They rely on navigation apps that optimize routes. They receive product recommendations while shopping online. They interact with customer service chatbots. They use AI powered tools at work. Yet, many do not fully understand what AI is, how it works, or what its limitations are. This creates what we might call an AI knowledge gap. The goal of this course is not to turn you into an AI engineer or data scientist. Instead, the goal is to help you become an informed user, consumer, citizen, and professional in an increasingly AI-powered world. Just as digital literacy became important during the rise of the internet, AI literacy is becoming an essential skill in today's world. Let me share a story about AI literacy. Consider a simple real-world scenario. Imagine two employees working in the same organization. Both have similar education, similar experience, and similar job responsibilities. Now, one employee decides to learn the basics of artificial intelligence. I'm not talking about coding, not advanced algorithms, but just the essential concepts and practical applications. While the other employee assumes AI is too technical and ignores it completely. Several months later, the first employee begins using AI tools to brainstorm ideas, summarize documents, organize information, and improve productivity. The second employee continues working exactly as before. Over time, the first employee becomes more efficient and more confident when discussing new technologies. The second employee will find it harder to adapt to changing workplace expectations. Here, the difference is not intelligence, but the difference is literacy. Understanding the basics of a technology often creates opportunities that remain invisible to those who never take the time to learn. This is one of the reasons why AI literacy matters.